If you want to go procedural here, you can just go to Edit, Plugins, go to Procedural Mesh Component. Okay, and let's just create one really fast. It's the same I did the last live stream. Hopefully my memory don't fail me. So I will just go here, PCG, and put PCG raw shoreline. Yeah, it will be safe. It will be safe. So I can put the spline, get spline data. The actor will all the actors, and the tag will be the spawner. I will just create a new actor here. New actor, or let's just put this one out of real time. This will be my spline. TP line spawner. And just go here and put tag. Tag will be spawner. There you go. Now you can get the data here. Spline sampler. You can put it here, and then you can project this into the landscape. Then you can, the projection, you don't want the rotation of the landscape. And you can transform points here if you want, and then spawn mesh, static mesh spawner. Let's just spawn mesh for now. Which mesh? We will use this one. So let's just put it here. Let's try it out. Let's remove this. And let's just go for our spline. Just put the PCG here first. And just leave it there. And then you can go for the spawner. Let's see, where is our... Oh, I didn't add the spline. This spline component. There you go. Now you can see what's happening. Spline spawner. There you go. Now I can just move the thing here. Now what I can do is just increase the number of spawn points and the transform. So just go here. This is a little bit tricky. I have a second monitor, but I want to show you how it will look like. Transform points. Let's change the rotation first. Minus 180 to 180. That's the first thing. The next thing is the scale. Max scale, maybe 2. The minimum scale 1, maybe. And also the spline sampler can increase the subdivisions for this, where you can just put more and more stuff. Okay. And also, you may want to put the projection to... Yeah, maybe it can work, the projection for the landscape. Now I can just go ahead and because it's projecting in the landscape, I will have a lot of variation here. Now this is not usually what you want, so let's just go for transform points. Let's make it bigger again. Offset minimum z-axis minus 10 and the offset max minus 10, maybe minus 30, minus 30, minus 80. Yeah, at this point it's much more obvious. So also the scale, you may want to scale in the y-axis, no, in the x-axis. Yeah, you want to scale this in the x-axis, so you can just put 2 here. And rotation, minimum rotation minus 10, maximum rotation 10 in x-axis, so you have some variation. And because this is projected into the landscape, I don't need to worry about where I put my splines. And just go back here, and that's it. I can add more. I can add more and more assets to this. Let's just say shoreline. I don't know if that will work. Rocky ground. Yeah, okay, rocky ground. I think I already had this one. Let's try it out. Yeah, we have this one. Now this one is another color, but it will work. But the first thing I need to do is I will go to a flat surface here. I will put it here by pressing End, and I will go to the modeling tab, and I will just go to the deform with lattice. And what this will do is to make sure I don't have my plane floating when I spawn it. So I can just select all of this and just go down. And you can drag the middle one and go up. And just like that, you have some of it in the ground, but not all of it. So you can just move a little bit. This is the thing about the Megascans asset. They don't usually adapt to your current why you want to use them. So you need to modify them a little bit. Something like that. It should work fine. It's a little bit more just in case. Hey, accept. And now we can put it on our spline, on our procedural spline.